Hi guys, here I'm at the National Highway number 1. I'm just checking on the Maruti cars. How many of them passed by in 2 minutes? Now here comes the first. Number 1, Swift. Again, it's just a 2 minutes video guys. I'm just counting on the Maruti cars for 2 minutes and see how many comes and pass by. Comes number 2. It's the Swift again from Maruti. And mind you, there's a new model coming up in 2018 of Swift. Here comes the number 3, Baleno. Number 4, number 5 is a Desire. I have 1 more minute guys to check. Number 6, Desire again, was a taxi by the way. Number 7, Ciaz just passed by. Mind you, there were so many Hyundais too. Number 8, again a Ciaz. Number 9, Desire. Number 10 from Maruti again, Alto. Number 11, Baleno. Number 12, Alto. I have just 10 seconds. Number 13, Ertiga. Number 14, Alto. Sayonara guys. Bye. Here's number 15. Bye.